Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook, back with another video for you, and today I'm going to share how to make karaage, Japanese fried chicken. You often see karaage on the menu at Japanese restaurants, even outside of Japan. This tasty treat is very easy to make at home. I will give you a few tips that will make your cooking experience a little easier. Now let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it thumbs up and leave a comment below. And if you love Japanese food, please follow along on Instagram and Facebook at Just One Cookbook. Since you guys are all watching till the end of this video, here's the Japanese word of the day. Oshibori. It means wet towel. Many Japanese restaurants do not provide napkins and instead provide wet towel called oshibori. The towel is chilled in summer and hot in winter. If you need one, you can ask the staff oshibori kudasai. Oshibori, have fun using it. Subscribe if you haven't already and make sure to click the bell icon. Sending big thanks and love to the notification squad. See you next time with a brand new video here on my YouTube channel. またね!